This boat was pulled out of the Mississippi River today, only a couple hours ago. This is not bottom paint on the boat. This is algae growth from the river. We're using Starbrite Easy On, Easy Off hull and bottom cleaner. Look at it just disappear. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Effortless. Spray it on, rinse it off. No scrubbing.
Now let me get the hose and rinse it so you can see it disappear.
Just don't spray me. Look at that come right off. Supposed to leave it sit 2 to 3 minutes, but you can tell it starts working immediately. Even the top part where it's clear here on the boat, we just scrubbed that after spraying on the Starbrite cleaner. Using a soft scrub brush, and it just wipes clean. This boat is not bottom painted at all. Beautiful.
So do you want to do that every year? Although would that come off?
We're debating whether to bottom paint it or not. My husband's talking about how fabulous the Scotch or the Starbrite Easy On, Easy Off cleaner is. Now we've just sprayed the other side and that has sat. As you can see, you can actually tell where we've sprayed. Down the side. We have not hosed this portion off. We only got about halfway through. It's a little bit of a tight fit through here, but you can definitely see where we've sprayed the Starbrite Easy On, Easy Off cleaner. And this is a big boat. 28-foot chaparral. And we boat in the Mississippi River. So we recommend this product. Let's see what it looks like after it's sprayed off on this side. What a difference. You may have to repeat application. This boat was pretty covered. Our marina area is known for a lot of stuff. I mean, it just is falling off. We fully recommend this product.